8 foods that will make you live longer. Add number 3 to your diet today. Want to live a longer, healthier life? These 8 foods are scientifically proven to boost your longevity. Let's count them down. Number 3 is a must-add to your diet. 1. Blueberries packed with antioxidants. Blueberries fight inflammation, protect your brain, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A handful a day can keep you young and healthy. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They improve heart health, boost immunity, and even protect against cancer. Add them to every meal. 3. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. They lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. A small handful daily can add years to your life. 4. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish are packed with omega-3s, which protect your heart, brain, and joints. Eating fish twice a week can slash your risk of heart disease and boost longevity. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Its healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and protect against chronic diseases. Drizzle it on everything. 6. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, brown rice. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They stabilize blood sugar, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Swap refined grains for whole grains today. 7. Beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Beans are a powerhouse of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and support gut health. Add them to soups, salads, and more. 8. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and boost brain function. A small square daily can satisfy your sweet tooth and add years to your life. Which of these longevity-boosting foods do you already eat? Identify yourself in the comments.